How did Pakistan fail so miserably when it tried to attack India? This question must have crossed your mind. On the intervening night of 9th and 10th May, when Pakistan unleashed its deadliest attack against Indian military and civilian areas with missiles and drones, they were challenged by the the Indian wall of self-defense, Akash Tir. You can also call it India's Iron Dome. So here's all you need to know about the Akash Tir system. Akash Tir is an indigenous artificial intelligence-powered air defense system which is designed and manufactured jointly by the Defense Research and Development Organization, in short DRDO, and ISRO and BEL, Bharat Electronics Limited. It was Akash Tir which stopped all Pakistani inbound airborne drones, missiles, other micro-unmanned aerial vehicles and other loitering munitions and prevented them from entering the Indian airspace. Compared to Akash Tir, Pakistan's air defense response consisted of HQ-9 and HQ-16, proved out to be a failure to detect our projectiles and intercept them timely, resulting in heavy losses. Akash Tir, the fully autonomous defense system, successfully aided the real-time target interception and indulged in drone warfare. It is a part of the broader C4ISR framework, which stands for Command, Control, Communications, Computers, Intelligence, Surveillance and Reconnaissance. Akash Tir works in coordination with other systems like ISRO satellites and NAVIC GPS. The system is vehicle-based, which makes it mobile and easier to handle in hostile environments. The sensors integrated include tactical control radar, reporter, 3D tactical control radars, low-level lightweight radar and the radar of Akash weapon system. It is also integrated with the Indian Air Force Integrated Air Command and Control System, IACCS. The beating heart of the military's resilient four-tiered air defense shield that Pakistan couldn't punch through despite launching wave after wave of attacks. Traditional models of air defense rely heavily on ground-based radars, human-monitored systems and surface-to-air missile batteries triggered by command chains. But Akash Tir stands out here. Its technology allows for monitoring of low-level airspace in battle areas and efficient control of ground-based air defense weapon systems. The Indian Army inducted the automated Akash Tir system, bought from Bharat Electronics Limited for Rs 1982 crore only a year ago. So how it redefined India's air defense? Experts across the world are now terming Akash Tir as a seismic shift in warfare strategy. The most disruptive element of Akash Tir is its ability to absorb data from multiple fields, weather, terrain, radar intercepts, and makes real-time decisions, reroutes missions, and executes attacks autonomously. Akash Tir gives seamless and unified air picture to the lowest operational units of the Army Air Defense, which enhances coordination and situational awareness across the force. Akash Tir also increases automation and efficiency by eliminating human inputs and decentralizing.